Hi guys, this is my video about the vowels sound. The first E, E, mean, mean. What do you mean? What do you mean? Easy, easy. Take it easy, take it easy. She can see his bird. She can see his bird. Next, E, visit, visit. Take a bath. I will visit your home. Take a bath. I will visit your home. Shit, shit. You look like a shit. You look like a shit. Miss, miss. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Next. Ooh, ooh. Could. I could I show my sexy body? Could I show my sexy body? Book. Can I book the room today? Can I book the room today? Took. I took my lover to an expensive restaurant. I took my lover to an expensive restaurant. Next. Ooh. Soon. As soon as you can. As soon as you can. Noon. Noon is not evening. Noon is not evening. School. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Next. Opinion. You told me my opinion was wrong. You told me my opinion was wrong. Effort. I devote my effort to make you happy. I devote my effort to make you happy. Sister. My sister is beautiful like your father. My sister is beautiful like your father. Next. Her eyes are so beautiful. Her eyes are so beautiful. First, you wanna go to the left. First, you wanna go to the left. Confirm. You can confirm my test. You can confirm my test.